Hey, how you doing? So my name is Charlo, and I come to invite you on my YouTube channel to learning English. If you wanna speak big English as a native speaker, because English is very easy for everyone. Don't say I can speak English because you're not American. No, many people say English is very easy because if I'm speak English as a native speaker, so you can. They say, for example, English Americans say, "And God we trust." You can believe in English. You can believe. You can put your mind to learning English if you wanna speak English as a native speaker. So don't forget, English is very good. If I speak English, you can say, "God the Creator, you are in your presence." As simple as I can be ready for your direction. So moi, je vais inviter aux guys, au cas apprendre anglais. Si vous voulez parler en anglais, tant que vous êtes natif,